I'm just gonna say it. I feel like a total jackass. I unboxed my air fryer that I got from Jenny Girl on the 15th, I think it was. And my son recorded it for me. He was very proud. He was the cameraman. I don't know what happened to my video. I searched my recycling bin. I searched all of my folders. The video is gone. I'm really upset by this because number one, Corey did an amazing job recording it. And number two, I was really excited about this. I love my air fryer, and I really wanted, Jenny to see me unbox that. Best I can do is apologize, number one, and insert clip of me using it to cook a steak. I cooked my chicken in it today. I've used it so many times. There's another video this week coming out of me using it where I made chicken strips and cheese sticks. This thing is so awesome. I'm going to show you now. So it's dirty right now because I literally about 20-30 minutes ago made my chicken in it. And as you can see, there's some oil from the chicken. It's pretty easy to use and really awesome, actually. I always get this part. I always forget how to do this. Push it and left. Okay. So as you can see, this is all non-stick, so it's really easy to cook. And then I can just wipe that out with some soapy water, or I can put this all into the dishwasher. But it's not been bad enough to put it in the dishwasher yet. No, the inside is also all non-stick. It's a beautiful shade of purple. It's pretty neat. You turn it on. This side you can pick, you hit that. Then this side you can pick like your temperature, and then this side is your minutes, and then you would hit that. We don't want to cook anything. We've already cooked. But I made a steak in here at 370, and I cooked it for 15 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other. It came out so perfect. I will show you after this clip. Alright, I love air fryers. Look at this piece of meat I just made that's perfect. This steak, I cooked it on one side for 15 minutes at 370, and then I flipped it and did the same thing. It is so juicy and so beautiful. Oh yeah. This was for meal prep, but now I want to eat it. Mmm. But I just wanted to say thank you, Jenny, because this was your gifts, the dishes, and the air fryer. I know I told you personally in a message, but I can't believe it when I get anything from you guys. But those were, first off, I've wanted an air fryer for a long time, and it was something that I was planning on getting. I put it on my wish list because I give my family my wish list, like my mom and my boyfriend and everything, for gift ideas for birthdays, Christmases, whatever. And I also put things on there kind of like to save, and when I get the money for, I can buy. I buy things from my wish list. I can't even talk. I buy things from my wish list for myself. And that was something I had on there for myself, something I was going to purchase. It was not something that I would have ever expected anybody, the dishes as well, ever expected anybody to get me. The message that came along with it, I'm not going to share because it was personal, but the message that came along with it was very moving to me and very touching to me. And every time that I get a message like that, it's amazing. It makes me feel amazing. It makes me realize I'm not alone. It shows me yeah, it shows me I'm definitely not alone in this. It shows me that there are good people in the world. It helps reassure me that I am doing the right path in my life. I don't know. I mean, your guys' comments, you tell me. I uploaded my video with the knives today, and all the positive comments that I got of you guys telling me, like, you know, I've had a hard life. I've had a hard life. It's hard for me to even admit it sometimes, because I don't want to take away from anybody else who's had worse off, you know. But Festus Moms, she said, you know, my kids deserve everything. And that's true, they do. They deserve everything. And it's hard for me still to understand that I too deserve it, but I know they deserve it. You know? I know they do. In other news about him, whose name we shall not speak, had court the other day, and he's going to trial now. Maximum was 30 years. I guess the prosecutor offered him 10, and he declined 10. So now it's going to trial. It's set for status on April 4th or 8th. It might have been the 8th. I don't really know what that means. I just know it's going to trial. And I don't think 10 years is enough. And I really hope that the jury sees that as well. So that's just a little update on that. I think my ponytail is too tight. All right. I got some video editing to do, and again, I'm so sorry that I lost that footage. I have to wonder. No, because I thought I remember editing it. I have to wonder if my son never hit the record button. Huh. All right, guys. Make good decisions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.